Hi, hello, my name is Jay Daniel Samson. My register number is URK261038. In this video, I am going to explain about the data structures and algorithms lab experiment number 10. The experiment number 10 is an implementation of hash table with linear probing to manage collisions. Write a Python program to implementation of hash table with linear probing to manage collisions. Start the program, get the size of the table from the user and initialize an empty list. Create hash function which returns x percentage size. Create insert function called hash function using h checks if hash table. Initialize t is equal to h plus 1 percentage size. Start while loop with two conditions, then assign t is equal to else print hash table is full. Create search function call hash function using h check if table element is equal to 2t, and then initialize t is equal to h plus 1 percentage size. Start the while loop with the two conditions and then check if the hash table t is equal to x, then print and return. If not, print element not found. Create delete function called search function, print element is deleted and checks if x is equal to none. Create display function, print the position and the value. Start while loop with true and get choice from the user. Check if ch is equal to 1, call insert that function. Else ch is equal to 2, call insert function. Else ch is equal to 3, call delete function. Else ch is equal to 4, call display function. Else break, and then start the program. This is the program for the size of an hash table. The size of an hash table is none size. Now I need to this I may execute this is the program done for the hash table. Now I may execute and show this. Enter the size of the table. Here I am giving the size of the table as 4, and then next it's asking enter your choice. Here I am giving choice as 1. Enter the number to be inserted. Here I am giving number to be inserted as 5. 5 is inserted at the first position. Enter the choice. Here I am giving a choice as 1. Enter the number to be inserted. Here I am giving the number to be inserted as 2. 2 is inserted at the second position. Here again it's asking enter the choice. Now I am giving my choice as 1 and enter the number to be inserted. Here I am giving the number to be inserted as 6. 6 is inserted at the 3. Enter your choice. Here I am giving 1 and enter the number to be inserted. Here I am giving number 3 to be inserted, and then enter your choice. It's asking, and 3 is inserted at the 0, and again it's asking enter your choice. Now I am giving the choice as 4 to display it. 0 1 2 3 3 5 2 6, and then enter your choice. Finally I am giving my choice to stop the program, and it has been stopped. And then next, quadratic probing. For quadratic probing, this is the program which I have done for that. Now I may execute and show this. Enter the size of the hash table. Here I am giving size as 10, and then enter your choice. Here I am giving choice as 1. Enter the key to be enter the key to be entered in the hash table. Here I am giving the key as 5, and then next enter your choice. Here I am giving 1 and enter the key to be entered in the hash table. Here I am giving the key 2 and enter your choice. Here it's asking enter your choice again. Now it's asking enter your choice again. So I am giving choice as 1, and then now I am going to queue as enter the value in the hash table as 6, and enter your choice. Here I am giving again 1, and then enter the key to be entered in the hash table. Here I am giving the value as 7, Now here I am giving enter a choice. Here I am giving 3 to display it. It has displaying index value, index and value. Now I am going to give the search. For search I am giving 2, and enter the key to be searched in the hash table. Here I am giving key to be searched in the hash table as 6, and then the element is found in the index 6, and finally I may exit the program. For exit I may give my choice as 4. Now if you see, end of the execution. Thus the program of implementation of hash table using linear and quadratic probing. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.